Hi students, how are you? I hope that all you are safe at your home. Welcome to 6th standard English class. Unit 1, Prose. The title is Sea Turtles. Sea Turtles was written by Sagar Detatry. Before going to enter into a topic, we will see glossary. The first word is marine. M-A-R-I-N-E, marine. It is the adjective. It is the parts of speech. What is the meaning for the marine? Found in the sea. F-O-U-N-D, found. I-N-T-H-E, the S-E-A-C, found in the sea. The second glossary is species. S-P-E-C-I-E-S, species. It is the noun. What is the meaning for the species? A group of animals with common features. A G-R-O-U-P, group. O-F-R-A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals with W-I-T-H, with common, C-O-M-M-O-N, common features. F-E-A-T-U-R-E-S, features. The third one is hostel. It is the adjective. Land by the edge of the sea or related to sea coast. The fourth one is reptile. It is a noun. Any of the group are creeping. I mean they covered with the scales. Fifth one is relative. It is the adjective. One who is the same family like your cousins. They are called the relatives. Sixth one is entire. It is a verb. What is the meaning for the entire? Complete. Seventh one is ashore. It is the adjective. What is the meaning for the ashore? To the shore. So, eighth one is sandy. It is the adjective. The meaning for full of sand. Ninth one is nesting. Meaning for building a nest, living in it. The 10th one is connection. Connection means an association or link. Next we will see the author note. Name of the author is Sagar Detatry. Sagar Detatry writes popular articles on wildlife conservation and filmmaking. He has been interested in nature from childhood. He is an award-winning wildlife conservation and filmmaker. He has worked with some of the world's leading broadcasters of wildlife programs, including Discovery Channel, National Geographic, and BBC Natural History Unit. He has more interest on wildlife. He belongs to Chennai. I mean, his native place is Chennai. Okay children, now we will see the explanation of the title. What is the title? Sea turtles. Yeah, sea turtles live in the oceans, but it is a biological relative of tortoise. It is bigger than a tortoise. It spends almost entire life in the sea, but they have link with the land. They come to the shore to lay their eggs. There are 7 species of sea turtles in the world. There are 7 species of sea turtles in the world. The leatherback is the largest one. The Olyrylli is the smallest one. There are 7 species of sea turtles in the world. The leatherback is the largest sea turtle. Olyrylli is the smallest one. Poachers collect the eggs of turtles and eat them. What is the meaning for the poachers? One who hunts animals illegally are called poachers. Hatchlings are killed by crabs, birds and animals. In the sea, they face threat from sharks, boats, fish line and fishing nets. So, we should create awareness among the people to protect these marine reptiles. We will see the summary, children. This lesson is about the sea turtles, which are different from the tortoise. We can see in the zoo or a reptile park. There are 7 species of sea turtles in the world, out of which 5 are seen in India. They are olive ridley, leatherback, green sea turtle, loggerhead, the olive ridley. It is the leatherback. It is the green sea turtle. It is the loggerhead. It is the hawksbill. Sea turtles are huge and weighs between 35 kg and 700 kg. Sea turtles are huge and their weight is between 35 kg and 700 kg. The largest sea turtle is the leatherback, which is 2.2 meter long and 700 kg. Sea turtles come to the Azores to lay their eggs. Except olive ridleys, other species have become rare in India. Mass nesting or Aribada is a phenomenon that occurs in Odisha. Mass nesting or Aribada is a phenomenon that occurs in Odisha, where the sea turtles come to Azores to lay their eggs. Okay children, now we will discuss about the synonyms. Synonyms means meanings. Surprising, amazing, huge, very big, extremely, greatly, mentioned, great, mentioned, pointer, rare, common, oceans, big seas, ways, has a way. Now we will discuss about the antonym, children. Now we will discuss the antonym, children. What is the meaning for the antonyms? Opposites. Entire part. What is the opposite for entire part? Smallest. Opposite is biggest. Live, die. Above, below. Collect, disperse or scatter. Warmth, coldness. It is the olive ridley. It is also known as Pacific ridley sea turtle. It is the carnivore. What is the meaning for the carnivore? Flesh-eating animals are called a carnivore, because among the 5 turtles, it eats flesh. It is the leatherback. It is also known as leathery sea turtle or nude sea turtle. The back of the leatherback looks like leather. It is the largest sea turtle. It has 7 cell ridges. It is the green sea turtle. It is only the herbivore because it eats sea grass and algae. It has hard cells. Under the hard cells, it has green color skin and fat. So it is named as a green sea turtle. It is the loggerhead. It has small slightly head. It has heart-shaped reddish brown cell. It helps us powerful jaw muscles. It is the hawksbill. It is the most beautiful sea turtle among all five. It looks like hawk, so it is named as a hawkbill. It eats sponges. What is the meaning for the sponges? It is one living organism. It lives in the marine. Okay children, now we will discuss some questions. How many sea turtles are there in the world? There are 7 species are there in the world. Name the sea turtles found in India. Loggerhead, green sea turtle, hawksbill, leatherback and olive ridley. Which is the largest sea turtle? The leatherback is the largest sea turtle. Where do sea turtles live? Sea turtles live in the oceans, but they come ashore to lay their eggs. Which is the smallest sea turtle? Olive ridley is the smallest sea turtle. Okay children, we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.